To upload a inbound voicemail recording, there are a couple of places you can do so. So first one's going to be in your profile. Under profile settings, you will find phone. And right underneath phone is where you can click and drop those voicemail recordings. Just make sure they're in MP3 format. The other is going to be in your settings. And under phone settings, you'll find inbound voicemail recordings, where similarly you can drop those recordings here. Once they're in the system, all you have to do is go to your inbound call routes. And let's say for Hattie Holloway, we want to drop her recording. So when somebody calls and she misses it, we want this to play. Scroll down to the bottom where you will find the drop down to select the new recording that you just uploaded.